Okay, we're here with Aaron, my son, and we're going to share with you his favorite recipe with Shakeology. What is it?
Blackberry banana.
All right.
So we first put the banana, which we already put it in. Then we'll put the blackberries.
How much blackberries do you put?
A handful, which we just put it in first. Then we put the almond breeze milk. We put it in, as you see. Then we put this much of water.
So it's about a cup of water.
Yeah, a cup of water.
And what do you put left?
Shakeology after. So you open it up, put the thing in.
Make sure you get everything in there, huh? Mm-hmm. All right.
And then now you just cover it.
Okay, you're going to hear the big bell.
And let's see how it goes.
Here you go, Aaron.
Thank you.
And why do you like Shakeology, Aaron?
Because it's healthy and it tastes good.
Mm-hmm. And mother approved.